We are going to town.
Yay.
We're going to go and see the magic of Christmas. So Melbourne's put on a show for us this year, just like we did last year, and Miss Caroline is joining me.
Hello.
So come along with us and come and see all the Christmas decorations the city has to offer, including the MYRE windows. We're going to go look for the 12 days of Christmas.
Really? I
Yes.
didn't know that.
And we're also going to see the light show opposite the Crown.
Oh,
So let's get moving.
I'm excited.
Awesome.
Yay. See you soon.
So, Miss Caroline,
Yes, Joseph.
we're here at 333 Collins Street. And this used to be the old commercial building. No longer a commercial building, it's now offices. But what's special here is that it's one of my favourite Christmas trees. And it's under an amazing dome.
Can I ask,
Yes,
what year is the building?
1891 to 1893.
Oh, my favourite.
So let's go and check out the Christmas tree and the dome.
Okay. Thank you.
So we've stopped at a little bar, cafe,
Little cafe.
and it's called Lafayette, and it's in the Block Arcade, just to refresh ourselves before continuing on.
Twas a month before Christmas, as the post office hummed with children and letters and hearts that all thrum. Each wish-filled note full of glitter and cheer was clutched in small hands as the postbox drew near. At Melbourne Post, in a corner just right, an elf worked in secret by twinkling light. He zipped past the magpies with a grin and a dash and scooped up the letters in one giant flash. From Australia to Santa, they said, with a swish, and off to the North Pole went each Christmas wish. With a whirl and a whoosh and a bundle-bound pop, the letters arrived in a magical drop. The mailroom was bustling, all sparkle and cheer, with elves working hard as the big day drew near. They sorted each letter with care and delight, checking who's been kind and who's been not quite. It's here that the list gets sorted by naughty or nice. But everyone's checked, not just once, at least twice. And if you've been cheeky, no need for a tear. There's always a chance to be kinder next year. Deep in his workshop where magic fills near, the elves set about making joy for the year. With sparkle and sawdust and paint by the tub, they tinker and tap in the jolliest hub. Each wish from a letter becomes something grand, all crafted with care by small clever hand. Santa looks on with a grin full of cheer, while dreams turn to toys as the big night draws near. In Santa's warm study, all cozy and bright, he checks through his list by the soft candlelight. He reads every name, then he checks it off twice. Each wish must be perfect, each gift must be nice. A teddy for Millie, a red bike for Glenn. He smiles as he marks with his jolly bright pen. The elves deck the halls full of cheer and applause, while cookies are shared by sweet Mrs. Claus. The wrapping room bubbles with laughter and cheer as toys turn to presents this time every year. Bright paper and ribbons all whirl and take flight. Each package is finished with a bow wrapped up tight. A jolly old elf in a tangle of string helps to keep the Rap-O-Matic doing its thing. They giggle and twirl in the shimmering light, transforming pure joy into gifts wrapped just right. It's Christmas Eve now, the sleigh's in full flight. Santa is sailing through, it's a magical night. He spots Melbourne glowing with music and cheer. The MCG shining, Boxing Day's near. The city below twinkling and bright, with rooftops and windows that sparkle, what a delight. With a jingle and a laugh, he calls out for all to hear, Merry Christmas from Leo and the Leo Group. See you next year.
So another one of my favourite places is Federation Square. Join us and let's see what's here. So now we're going to take a walk up
To Grove Street.
another favourite and another place to see some more Christmas things.
And a great place to, if you're a coffee person, great place for coffee, pasta, things like that. And there's actually some accommodation in this street as well.
Let's check it out.
Okie dokie.
So whilst in the Grave Street, we've stopped to have a meal. And what did you have, Miss Caroline?
I had chicken and mushroom in a creamy sauce Alfredo.
And I had the roast pork belly, which was nice and crispy with a sauce and steamed vegetables, as well as a salad.
And a beer.
And that's right. And we washed it down with a good old beer.
Gotta do it.
So now we're going to move on and check out some more decorations. So keep following us.
Jingle bells.
have we walked the streets of Melbourne.
Oh my gosh, it's taken us hours.
So we've completed the 12 days of Christmas. And
Yeah.
now we're going to go and check out the Crown Casino and the water feature that they've with all the coloured lights.
So that'd be good because we didn't see that last year. This is a new addition.
Yes, let's
Yes.
go and check it out.
Okay, bye.
So we've come to the end of our walk around the city and seeing all the light installations. They've been amazing.
Hi.
And I have to thank Miss Caroline for joining me again this year.
Oh, thanks, Jojo, for having me.
That's right. It's been a fun night checking out especially all
My
the
feet are a little bit sore.
checking out all the Christmas decorations have been absolutely fantastic.
And finding all the different laneways and everything, and
Yes, I'm
that's
sorry.
been great. The laneways, you got to check out all the laneways. Amazing.
I'm sorry I had to drag you to find the 12 days of Christmas.
No, don't. It's been great. It's been fun doing it with you, bestie.
So if you get a chance, pop into the city. The installations are here until the 7th of January. Definitely worth coming down.
Definitely.
If you miss this year, well, then you'll have to come down next year.
Yeah.
So-
Put on your walking shoes with us and get a whole tour of everybody.
Well, we'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas,
Yes.
and we'll see you same time maybe next year.
And a Happy New Year.
Bye, folks.
Bye.